So it was a fantastic journey with some beautiful souls for 6 days, an experience which I will remember for many more days, weeks, and months to come. However, what I said somewhere a little while ago, while this seems to be the end of a journey, but this marks the beginning of a bigger journey when you go out into this world and not just heal yourself, but heal the world. So I'm going to be with you as I committed, and I'm on record that I'm going to be with you along with about 130 plus other therapists who have gone through the school of client-centric therapy. And you are going to get support through this. You can put up your case on the Facebook group. You will be supported there. And of course, you have the weekly AMA where you can bring all your questions. And my endeavor is to answer all of your questions. Now, before we all go back to our respective spaces, I would request each one of you to come up and share your experience of the last 6 days. So you may take a few seconds to reflect on the journey that was there on day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, and day 6. And each day you would have had a different kind of experience. So you assimilate, share your experience. If you have a message for those out there who also want to follow the same path of client-centric bachelor therapy, please put your message across and then we'll sign off. So Simran, you may go first.
That journey could go on.
Okay. So I'm just calling names because otherwise there'll be time wasted. Simran, can you start with your experience sharing?
Yes, Dada. Dada, this course was very insightful because we started off with the basics of the plants, which we had an idea, but we didn't know how deep we would be going in this course. And what I've got to learn in this is there is no one remedy for all. It is based on a person's past, emotions, whatever is happening in the present, and also through the present we go deep into the past. And basically it was a very good learning experience, and you have actually encouraged me to go deeper into the subject.
Thank you so much.
And I'm looking forward to more sessions with you, and it was really great to be a part of the group and a very pleasant journey. Very nice 6 days we have all spent together like a family, we all have become like a family.
By the way, I consider all my students as a part of my extended family.
Yes, so thank you for welcoming us, and thank you for all the knowledge you've shared with us. It's a very good experience. Thank you.
Thank you. Anu?
Thank you, Dada, for sharing your knowledge with us. We got in-depth knowledge about the bachelor remedies. And this was a beautiful journey. And we would follow your instructions, and whatever we have got, whatever knowledge we have got, we are going to implement, and we are going to bring in more people into this bachelor remedies because of your help. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Lakshmi?
Namaste, Dada.
Namaste.
Gradually, I was learning. At first, I was just tensed. What all about bachelor therapy, but because of your kind and lovable classes and talk, I came to know what's deep emotionally and physically what I am going through. Because of this therapy only, I came to know there are emotional problems which causes so many health diseases, physical diseases. And thank you so much for sharing so much knowledge and experiences. And I would like to continue till my lifetime.
Oh, that's great. That's great. Sure.
you.
Wish you all the best. Yeah.
Thank you, brother. Thank you. Thank you so much.
चित्रा, आप चाहे तो हिंदी में भी बोल सकती है.
Yes, Dada. I enjoyed a lot. First, all of your company. And thank you so much for sharing your all deep knowledge with us. I learned lots. And I would like to share myself again and again with you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Chitra. Thank you so much. Neena,
Namaste, Dada.
namaste.
It was a very, very beautiful journey of 6 days. I wish it could go on. And the best part is this, that the composition which you have given today for me, I'm going to start this journey from myself, moving towards my clients to understand their emotions and applying them for their betterment. And yes, you are there in our life, so I'm not going to miss my brothers anymore because Dada is there.
Chandra,
good evening to all my teammates or the batchmate of the BFR group. I am very happy to go through this 6 days program. And as you are aware that some time ago I was studying or a little bit practicing about homeopathy, little bit learning about BFR, and pranic healing is my main core area, you can say. As far as the course is concerned, some 2-3 years ago, I was having this Kramer's book, both book part 1 and part 2 I am having, and almost if I show the book, wherever I found important points with pencil I have marked. But while going with this course, a lot of insight as a CBS Barkam or as a student of BFR, I have received. In particularly the structure approach, evolution of the remedies, the concept of tracks, which literally I was 00 when I read the books. But in these hours, a lot of insight have opened my mind, and I am confident that the combination of BFR along with the pranic healing, the fight is the future is very bright, I think, and I wish all the very best to Dada and all my teammates, batchmates for this wonderful journey. Thank you very much for this, and I look forward for many more such opportunities, learning opportunities, and practicing together.
Yeah,
Thank
yeah.
you very much. Thank you, sir.
All the best to you too,
Thank you.
also,
Thank you,
Chandra.
sir.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Viji,
Thanks, Indranil, for such a wonderful session. I would consider this as, I would say, a calling that happened for me to unlearn and relearn about bachelor remedies and how I think I'm grateful to you, to the team, to the batch, because I'm sure that this is going to make a lot of difference to people, at least the handful of people I might be, I wouldn't say treating, but I would be helping out. I'm sure that lives will become much, much better And I stand here today as an example for, within a short span, I see a transformation in me. So thank you so much for that. And I look forward to a lot of learning through the AMAs and other things, other programs. And if there is an opportunity for an advanced course that you might be doing, I'm looking forward to it. Thanks
Sure,
everyone for
anytime.
having me here today. For this, to have had me for the 6 days, being patient with my questions. It might be right, wrong sometimes, but thanks everyone. Thanks, Indranil. I owe it
Pleasure.
big time to you. Thank you.
Thank you, Vijay. Wish you all the best. After that, I guess Pallavi.
Yes, sir. Can I start?
Yeah.
I was waiting for my turn. First of all, thank you very much, because as you promised me before joining this course, you said, okay, Pallavi, you join the course and we will lift you up. And today, really, I'm feeling lifted up. I'm really happy that I got such a good friend. Though I was not very participant, I was just, most of the time, I was just listening. But today I feel very grateful to you, sir, and all my batchmates, and especially Neena ji, who did my consultation, and Dada, to you, because any course we go to, healing course or anything, they don't give us the practice this way, the way you have given. Like holding hands, how to make the prescriptions, how to consult a client, how much to give them, how to make them talk. That is very difficult in today's world, to make other people talk. that is what I feel. So you have given that training. Thank you so much, and I love this course, and I think I will be practicing it throughout my life and helping so
Awesome.
many people. Thank you.
Awesome. Wish you all the best. Shilpa.
Hello. As a physiotherapist, I am continuously with the patients who are emotionally drained because of their physical and emotional circumstances, mostly the cancer patients. So I'm pleased to understand this therapy so deeply and with the good knowledge in a span of 6 days, with a detailed explanation from you, Dada. So it is a new way of healing the patients emotionally, so that they give me more cooperation to heal them effectively. This is really very enthusiastic, interactive, and very knowledgeable sessions I have come across. I am really very thankful to you, Dada. Thanks once again.
All the best. Take care and heal many of your patients now.
Yes.
And so, last but not the least, Shonali Sen.
Namaskar, Dada. Firstly, I have to tell that when I came into this course, I came with a clean slate. I did not come with any kind of ideas or prejudices or anything at all. I had a vague idea which I completely erased when I started your class from the day one. And I started filling up my slate of learning. And when the way you have taken us this 6 days, the way you had held our hands, and with a little bit of scolding in between, and with lots of love all the time, the way you guided us through your course, and this course was such in-depth knowledge that I say from my heart and soul that my life purpose, which I have derived from my 50th year, that I want to heal a lot of people, I want to help a lot of people, and I'm very, very enriched with this knowledge which you gave us of BFT, and I am so grateful to you and all my batchmates over here. We felt like a family with you on the helm, and nothing could be better than this. I will be very much be part of AMA, and I hope I get to learn more and more from you. Thank you so very much.
You're welcome, Shonali, and wish you all the best in your journey towards fulfilling your purpose And I'm very sure you're not only fulfilling it, but you're going to make many more lives more meaningful. So for me, I think it was, once again, I will say, I was most of the time very consciously an instrument of the wisdom that was left behind by Dr. Edward Batch and further embellished by some very, very fantastic and fine and accomplished practitioners. And I just thought if I could be a good channel and I can pass on that in a structured manner to you, maybe it will help you to, practice the client-centric way where the remedies are not everything. Understanding the client is more important than understanding the remedies. And I think you guys are all ready, and you can just go ahead, understand the client, and map the remedies to the issues, and then take the client through a healing journey using the 5 I's and 1 E. Remember that. That is very important. Okay? With that, the entire group wish you all the best. See you in the next AMA. A couple of days, you will be added to the support group. See you in the support group, and continue to remain active wherever you are, because a lot of people are looking forward to you to take the lead, and maybe you will open up doors for other therapists also. Okay?
Yes.